waru and kani kani too. Nahi rua toru wha. Let's sing some waiata. Lima ono fitu waru and kani kani too. Nau Mai Haramai. Welcome to our music time. Nau Mai Haramai. Welcome to you all.
Kia ora!
Malolele, it's Seal
And Leah
from Loopy Tunes. Welcome to Music Time with us, Loopy Tunes.
where we get to sing and dance and learn together.
Now we have 3 clues right here beside us that are going to help us figure out what song we're going to sing today.
Can you help us out with the clues, please? Thank you.
Alright, let's start right at the top here. Clue tuatahi, our first clue. Do you know what this is? Ai ka pai, it's a rainbow ribbon. Usually we use it for dancing.
Clue tuarua, right here. Do you know what it is? That's right, it's the sky. Rangi.
Alright, clue tuatoru, our final clue is right here beside us. Do you know what this is? Ai ka pai, it's an aniwa and it has the Māori colour names on there. Do you know what? We have all 3 clues. Our first clue is our rainbow ribbon. We have rangi, the sky, and we have an Uenuku with our Māori colour names on it.
Oh, I know. We're going to sing our waiata Uenuku.
That's right, this is a cute wee song all about the colours of the rainbow and all about Uenuku, who's our rainbow up in the sky.
Shall we count to 3 and have a sing along together? Ready? Tahi, rua, toru.
Uenuku is the rainbow in the sky. Ooh, Uenuku is smiling way up high. What are the colors of Uenuku? He ahanga taio Uenuku. Whero is red, karaka is orange, kowhai is yellow, and kakariki is green. Kahurangi me kikorangi are blue and indigo. Waiporo poro purple, he taiatahua. The beautiful colors of Uenuku. Uenuku is the rainbow in the sky. Ooh, Uenuku is smiling way up high. What are the colors of Uenuku? He ahanga taio Uenuku. Whero is red, karaka is orange, kowhai is yellow, and kakariki is green. Kahurangi me kikorangi are blue and indigo. Waiporo poro purple, he taiatahua. The beautiful colors of Uenuku. He taiatahua. The beautiful colors of Uenuku.
That was so much fun. I loved learning all the different colour names. E te reo Māori today.
Which colour was your favourite?
Ooh, good choice.
Nice.
Alright, he wā Hokinga Mahara. It's time to remember the names of the colours i te reo Māori today. Here's our first colour. Starts with the sound Fe, Whero, red.
Our next colour starts with the sound K, Ka, Karaka, orange.
Our next one starts with the sound K, Ko, Kōwhai, yellow.
Our next one starts with the sound K, Ka, Tamariki, green.
Our next one starts with a K again. Ka, Kahurangi, blue.
Our next one again starts with the sound K, Ki, Kikorangi, indigo.
And our last one starts with the sound W, Wai, Wai Poroporo, purple. That's all our different colours. Hey, we hope you've enjoyed learning all the different colours of the rainbow, all about Uenuku, our rainbow smiling in the sky. Shall we go sing our goodbye song together?
Goodbye, everybody. It's time to go. Goodbye, everybody. We'll miss you so. Ka kite ano, we'll see you soon. Goodbye, hey koneira. Goodbye, hey koneira.
Hey you! Make sure to like and subscribe down below so that you can watch my mum and auntie's videos. Loopy Tunes, and let's go hide behind Uenuku. Come find me.